Hello everybody, welcome. So the other day I was in Target and I came across this and it caught my eye because I hadn't seen a Battle Styles pack in stores in quite a while. So let's see what we got in here. We got this beautiful official Pokemon pin. It says right back on the, I don't know if you can see that there. Official. See if I can get it on there for you. Official Pokemon pin. Alright, so anyway, so we got this. It's a very nice pin. I'm going to put it over here with these guys for now. And we're gonna put, we got a Battle Styles pack and Fusion Strike. Whoop. Excuse me. All right, so we're gonna get into the Fusion Strike first. Let's see what we got in here. All right. I've always loved the Fusion Strike artwork. Growlithe. Snorlax Reverse Hollow. I love pulling Snorlax. One of my favorite Pokemon. Alright, what do we got behind it? Let's hope for something good. Oh, nice. Hoopa V. Well, that was a good pack. Let's hope we get a good pack in this this Fusion. The Fusion Strike was a good pack. Let's hope we get some good pulls out of this Battle Styles. I got Brilliant Stars on the head. I just opened 4 packs of them the other day. So let's see what we get in this Battle Styles pack. Oh, our code card is facing out. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if this is different. Flip. Alright, energy. It's looking good already. Card trick works. What have we got in the first spot? Alright, we go. Oh, and we strike out in the Battle Styles pack. Alright, well we got a couple hits over here. Alright, so I decided I was going to go ahead and open up this pack of Chilling Reign as well for this video. These were all picked up at Target yesterday. One day I'll be able to get into it. Whoa, okay, so we got that there. Okay, that's in a weird spot. Alright, so this is a Chilling Pain pack And this is in an odd spot. So, oh, we got another reverse hollow. Okay. Just gonna put that over here. We got another one. What's behind it? Oh, we got another reverse hollow. Okay. Common reverse, rare reverse. Galarian Snorlax. Slowpoke. Galarian Snorlax. Galarian Slowpoke. Alright, what do we got here? We got another reverse. Trainer card Melanie. This is one of the craziest packs I've ever pulled. I cannot believe. I'm so glad I decided to pull this. Alright, so we got, what do we got behind it? Oh, geez. Okay. Alright, so we got another. Alright, another reverse hollow. What do we got behind this? Another reverse hollow. Deerling. I hope there's something in the rare spot. I hope there's something crazy, but I don't know. It's been too good to be true. What do we got here? And a Beedrill. Well, that was anticlimactic. A Beedrill hollow. Oh, I didn't even see the hollow. Okay, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'll take that for a chilling pain. Beedrill hollow. All right. Well, let's open another one. All right, guys. So I have a. That was good for that. Let's go ahead. I got, since that was a pretty good pack. Let's go ahead and open these two as well. Let's go with our Lost Origin first. I've had some really good pulls out of Lost Origin. I've also had some really good pulls out of the Brilliant Stars. And yeah, I think Brilliant Stars probably got some of my best. Lady, Snover, Reinhardt. Gumi. All right, well that one, nothing to write home about in that one. Let's see what we get in our Brilliant Stars pack. We can redeem us to finish up this video. So we redeem it to finish up this video. All right. Magmar. Electabuzz. Come on, let's see something good back there. Oh, Zumeta V. All right, at least we got a V. At least we pulled a V card at the end there. I'd prefer to have like an alt art or a secret, but this will do. At least we finished it up with something good. All right, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Please comment if you got anything to say, anything criticism, anything you'd like to see. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video.